Nonfiction text features can help a reader become familiar with the type of text they are getting ready to read. Text features also help readers to set a purpose for reading. For example, a reader may want to gain information, learn how to do something, solve a problem, form an opinion, or to be entertained. To set a purpose for reading, I am going to first read the title of the text and then skim through to look for text features that will help me to learn more about why I am going to read the text. Listen as I think aloud. The title of this text is How to Grow Sweet Potatoes. Now I'm going to skim through the text to see what types of text features I notice. First off, I can see that there are photographs. It looks like they're photographs of sweet potatoes. I also see that there are some headings: sweet eats, materials. As I continue to skim through, I see there looks like there's a numbered list. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, all the way down through Step 10. And at the end, there looks like there is a fun fact. Did you know? From the text features, I can tell that this is a functional text, meaning this text will help me with something in my day-to-day life. The title, headings, photographs, and numbered list helps me to set my purpose for reading, which will be to learn about how to grow sweet potatoes. Follow along as I read the text out loud. How to grow sweet potatoes. Sweet eats. Sweet and creamy sweet potatoes are delicious. They are also very healthful. They have lots of vitamins and minerals. Did you know that you can grow your own sweet potatoes? It is very easy. Let's find out how. Materials: 1 organic sweet potato, 2 clear cups and 1 disposable cup, scissors, 8 toothpicks, water, a large flower pot, and potting soil or a summer garden bed. Step 1. Sweet potatoes come in many colors: orange, purple, white, and even red. Choose the color you want. Then look for a medium potato with firm skin and no soft spots. Organic sweet potatoes are best. Some non-organic sweet potatoes are treated so that they cannot sprout. Step 2. Gently rinse your sweet potato. Do not rub it. Look for small dents in the potato. That's where it will sprout. Step 3. Ask an adult to help you cut your sweet potato in half. Push one of the toothpicks into the middle of one of the halves. Push another toothpick into the opposite side. Repeat until you have 4 toothpicks in each half of the potato. Step 4. Set the sweet potato halves in the cups. Let the toothpicks rest on the cup rims. Part of the sweet potato will be inside the cup. The other part will stick out of the top. Fill the cups with water. Step 5. Put the cups in a sunny indoor spot. Soon, your sweet potato will begin to sprout. It may also grow roots. Step 6. When the sprouts are several inches long, carefully twist them off of the potato. Now, the sprouts are called slips. One potato can produce as many as 50 slips. Step 7. Your slips need to grow longer roots. Make a water dish for them. Cut off the bottom of a disposable cup, fill the dish with water, and put the bottoms of the slips into the water. Step 8. Wait until your slips grow 1-inch roots. Fill a container with potting soil or prepare a summer garden bed. Sweet potatoes need 10 inches or more of loose soil. Step 9. Plant your slips in the soil. Cover the roots and pat the soil so that the slips stand up straight. Step 10. Make sure your plants get lots of sunshine and water. After the leaves turn yellow, the potatoes are ready to harvest. You will find the sweet potatoes under the ground. They are the roots of the plant. Dig them up and keep them in a warm spot for 10 days. Then they will be ready to eat. Did you know? The sweet potato is in the same family as the morning glory. Sweet potato flowers look like morning glories. Morning glories come in many colors, but they do not grow sweet potato roots. Now, I am going to reflect on the purpose I set for reading, which was to learn about how to grow sweet potatoes and how text features helped me as I read. I learned sweet potatoes are actually very easy to grow, and it's something that I can easily do at home. The author's use of a numbered list makes it easy for me to follow the directions provided. If I were to try to grow sweet potatoes, this makes it easier to go back to the text to pick up where I left off, since some of the steps will require several days for the sweet potato to begin to sprout and grow. I can also clearly understand what I need to do in each step as I work through the process. The author included many photographs. The photographs show me what the sweet potato will look like in each step that I will follow. As a reader, I find this helpful to have a visual as I work through the steps so I can make sure that I am following the directions correctly. The headings make it easy for me to refer back to the text to locate information. For example, I can quickly look back to the section for the materials I need, to find a step I need, or to find a fun fact to share. Today, I modeled how you can skim text features to set a purpose for reading. I identified text features and reflected on how I can use them to locate facts or information within a text. I also used my knowledge of how steps occur in a process to read the directions for how to grow sweet potatoes. The author's use of a numbered list will come in handy when I refer back to the text to grow my very own sweet potatoes. Now, it is your turn. For your independent practice, you will skim the text features in functional text and set a purpose for reading. Then you will read the text and answer the follow-up questions that will require you to identify and use the text features to locate facts and information.